Today see about list of the 20 non-living things for kids following by pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L pencil. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E bicycle. Notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K notebook. Chair. C-H-A-I-R chair. Phone. P-H-O-N-E phone. Ball. B-A-L-L ball. Clock. C-L-O-C-K clock. Teddy. T-E-D-D-Y teddy. Car. C-A-R car. Plane. P-L-A-N-E plane. Microscope. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E microscope. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A umbrella. Cup. C-U-P cup. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N balloon. Stone. S-T-O-N-E stone. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R computer. Building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G building. Moon. M-O-O-N moon. Fire. F-I-R-E fire. Bucket. B-U-C-K-E-T bucket. Doll. D-O-L-L doll. Money. M-O-N-E-Y money. Water. W-A-T-E-R water. Cloud. C-L-O-U-D cloud. This is the example for the list of the 20 non-living things for kids. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.